Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Kali Linux 2025.4. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Now click on this download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the Tor Browser zip file. We have to unzip it. tar-exec, then tar, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder. ls. Now we have to execute this torbrowser.desktop file. Just give ./start, then press the tab to autofill enter this file name. Hit enter. Hit a moment, Tor Browser will be opened. See, you got the Tor Browser. Now connect to Tor. See, here we have two options. This is, if you don't turn off, it is manual. If you want to always connect automatically, you have to turn on like this. Then click on connect. Now verify the version. Go to these three horizontal bars, help, then about Tor Browser. See, we have installed 15.0. Okay. See, we have successfully connected to Tor. And see here, default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Kali Linux 2025.4. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.